Hi there, check out the Ivilon extra long curtain rod, perfect for windows and sliding doors. Made from durable steel with sleek aluminum finials, it offers premium quality and long-lasting performance. The rod telescopes from 28 up to 240 inches, fitting almost any window or patio door size. Installation is simple with the included complete hardware kit, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and beginners. Its heavy-duty construction ensures your curtains hang securely and look elegant every day. Plus, Ivilon provides a comprehensive warranty and dedicated customer support for your peace of mind. Upgrade your space effortlessly with this versatile and sturdy curtain rod solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.